What's going on, YouTube family? This is your boy Chef Timmy J, and today we are going to be making black beans in the Instant Pot. That's right, folks. I found some smoked turkey in the fridge. I believe it's a smoked turkey wing. We're going to use 2 bay leaves, some Knorr's bouillon, and bang, folks, we're gonna have a awesome black beans meal. So buckle on your seatbelts. Also, if you have not hit that like and subscribe button, please go ahead right there, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers and I definitely need your help. But let's go ahead and get to cooking with Chef Timmy J. Peace. All right, YouTube family, so I've got you inside of my Instant Pot, and we're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna go ahead and get to cooking. Ingredients, what I have is, this is a smoked turkey leg. You can use any kind of smoked meat that you want. I recommend using smoked turkey wings, smoked turkey necks, anything that you have. So we're gonna put that smoked turkey neck in there. Also, what I've done is I went ahead and I washed and clean and pick through my black beans. So these are those black beans. We're gonna dump the black beans into our pot because we definitely need our black beans. That's definitely the star of the show, folks. So we've got our black beans in the pot. And seasonings. What I also have for seasonings is I have my Knorr's bouillon seasoning. Knorr's bouillon seasoning. Here's that Knorr's bouillon seasoning here. I'm gonna use probably about 2 teaspoons, maybe 1 tablespoon, but 2 teaspoons. So I've got that, and I'm putting that Knorr's bouillon, as you can see, all over here. I'm gonna get 1 more teaspoon because Knorr's bouillon is really good. It adds a great flavor to this black beans. If you have never had it this way, definitely gotta check it out. So we've added our Knorr's bouillon, and then last star of the show, guys, you have to make sure you get you some bay leaves. These bay leaves are very important. They're really flavored well. They just balance out any kind of soups and dishes. So I'm gonna add 2 bay leaves is what I'm doing, as you see there. 2 bay leaves definitely going in the pot. Boom. And now what we have to do is 6 cups of water is what we want to put in our Instant Pot. I've got a big cup, so I'm filling that cup up right now with water, almost there. This is 4 cups in this first going, and then I'll follow it by 2. So that's 4 cups there. As you can see here, that's the water there. We're gonna pour it in here, just simply pouring that water all over. And then we need 2 more cups of water. This is regular water, 2 more cups for a total, folks, of 6 cups of water that's gonna go into the Instant Pot. I'm telling you, this is simple and easy. You all can do it. I've added that final cup of water to our Instant Pot. And as you can see, all the love is there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to close this up. I'm gonna turn on my Instant Pot for 30 minutes, and then when we come back, we'll do a natural pressure release, and I'll let you guys see what it looks like. Hang on. All right, so here we are back at the pot, YouTube, and I'm gonna release the rest of this steam. And as you can hear, that steam is just roaring away. I don't want to get my camera burnt, but if you could hear that steam, you can see just a little bit of it on that corner, but it's really coming off of this valve pretty good. Definitely don't want to mess up the camera. And so what we're doing, YouTube, we're letting this quick release for about, it's already been releasing steam for about 10-15 minutes now. So we're just releasing the rest of the steam, and once that has been fully released, we'll go ahead and get this pot open. Shouldn't take too much longer. We're definitely taking a look and watching all this steam just kind of get out of here. But again, we're waiting for that pin to drop, and you just heard it, that pin drop. So let's go ahead and open this up and try not to get burned. And yes, people, if you can just take a look at that. That is smoked chicken wing, turkey wing with our black beans, 2 bay leaves, and just our Knorr's bouillon, which is totally amazing. I'm gonna use my slotted spoon here, and oh yeah, it smells amazing. Now, beans will always have a lot of liquid, and what I will do is I'm gonna get this plated up for you, YouTube, and then show you what the finished result looks like. Be back in a moment. And here we have it, YouTube, that finished product. We've got our black bean, smoked turkey wing, just a little bit of Knorr's bouillon, and of course 2 bay leaves. And this is a awesome black bean that any of you can have. You know, my famous gold fork. That's right, I've got the gold fork here, folks. And I'm gonna add a little bit of hot sauce. You can use whatever brand hot sauce you want, but I gotta throw some hot sauce on mine. I'm gonna mix it up in there, and look at that, woo! You can see how hot this is, folks. Just look at those black beans. They're just melting and falling apart. This is excellent. And of course, the tender smoked turkey meat is also in here as well. So I'll get a little bit of turkey meat, and I've got it on there. YouTube, this bite is for you. Take a bite, and then the next one's for me. I'm going in. This is amazing. You're talking about a great Southern comfort meal, black beans with smoked turkey. Any of you can do it. This is amazing, YouTube. Just look how it just falls off the fork. Just ready to go. So again, folks, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned to see more content. This is your boy, Chef Timmy J, signing out. Peace.